Into, masquerade. 50 seconds left before we can pass there.
We've had about, 15 red horses?
Yes, I think more than that.
More than that?
Yeah.
More than that?
Yeah, we've been there for about 30 minutes before you showed up.
Oh, not too bad. Okay, so we've been there at least, and it's already, 11 o'clock?
Yeah, I think so.
So about 4 hours of drinking beer.
Yeah. And I'm hoping that you enjoyed it.
Had a good time.
That was great to hear.
Good time. I met all you people. Having a good time here with my friends in the Philippines.
Woo! Rock and roll!
Woo! Balibago!
Tagay hanggang mamatay. Yeah. I do have a friend here in Atlantis. She's a waitress.
Waitress? Okay, we're going to Mega Dance.
Yeah, we're going to dance.
We're going to dance after a few beers. That's going to be quite entertaining. Yeah, it's just right over here. You're close.
Yeah.
Let me turn this camera around so you guys can see it.
Yeah.
You don't want to see my face.
Face.
Here we go.
Good looking.
Look at all the sexy lady boy girls.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell. It's like, is that a girl? Or?
Yeah, she's a girl. Those, the Baishi, they are usually located there, that corner. But they are nice people as well. So what we need to do is to park. We need to park here for a while and then wait for.
Oh, you have a lock? Or we park over here to your bike? How does this work?
Yeah, I can manage it here.
Manage it.
Just on this corner.
Oh, let me get off. Oh, thank you for the ride.
Oh, not a problem.
Got the ride here, guys. We're over here at the Mega Dance. It's Friday. Is it Friday night? Yeah, it's Friday night. Walking street, folks. Here we go. We're gonna go to Mega Dance. It's somewhere over here. Where the hell's the right there? Mega Dance Center. Big old discotheque, basically. I've had about fucking 20 red horses, guys. I don't know how I'm still standing. There we go, guys. Only in the Philippines. It's more fun here in the Philippines. What is this? Trike?
Yeah, trike.
Hey, guys, give me a, woohoo! There you go. Woohoo!
Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Let me use my magic hand. That's my magic hand.
Whoa, yeah, magic hand. Well, the magic hand cannot stop a car, huh? Maybe. What do you got here?
Sure, Viagra, Cialis.
Viagra, Cialis? No, I'm not good with the ladies. I don't need that. Mega Dance. Right here, Mega Dance, guys. No, the other way. Mega Dance is down there.
She's right there.
No, it's right here. Oh, shit.
I got my attention.
The Mega Dance, folks. Mega Dance Center.